Talk more about Amazon stock heading into the holidays is Tom Forte. He is senior research analyst at D.A. Davidson. And Tom, it's good to see you this morning.
Thanks for having me on, Becky.
So to see Amazon investing like this, we've known for a long time what Jeff Bezos' plans were. They're actually continuing to ramp up and continuing to put money into the project. What do you think?
So I definitely think that the longer-term opportunity for Amazon is to turn what is a duopoly in shipping in the U.S. with FedEx and UPS, UPS rather, to a triopoly with Amazon being the third, much like they're doing in digital advertising with Facebook and Google. So longer term, I see this as a big opportunity for Amazon to expand beyond its efforts today, which is primarily shipping products for its own sales.
We heard in that piece that when they've increased their spending on the blue vans and other things, they've seen both revenue and unit growth increase as a result. Do you think it's because of those investments?
The answer is absolutely. So in the last 2 quarters, since they've launched one-day Prime shipping in the U.S., they've had a reacceleration in U.S. unit growth and in U.S. sales growth. So this has definitely been a needle mover for Amazon, which is very encouraging.
Hey, Tom, this battle that's taken place between, let's say, FedEx, UPS, and Amazon, in terms of who's going to be doing the shipping, I don't know if you understand this latest move where they're now saying that you can't use FedEx Ground if you're a third-party shipper. Does that make sense to you?
It makes sense to me, but I think it's from a quality of service standpoint. So if you go back in time, why did Amazon ramp its own first-party shipping efforts? Because UPS was not able to maintain the pace required, and Amazon had to scale back new signups for Prime. So Amazon initially did it to increase their ability, their capacity during peak times. Now I think this is an effort that they're going to expand for all 365 days of the year.
Look, I realize you may not cover FedEx and UPS, but as I've watched this battle play out, I've kind of thought that all the companies, the moves they've made have made sense. For FedEx, it didn't make sense to continue to be doing some of these deliveries because the margins were just too low. For UPS, it makes sense because especially if FedEx steps out of the way, they're going to continue to have a huge number of packages that they can deliver. For Amazon, it makes sense because they want to eventually build up their own sort of force on this front. Is there any way you look at this and think that there's a loser in this battle, or could it be possible that in this situation, everything that's happening is rational for every one of the players involved?
I think there's a huge risk for FedEx and UPS to the extent that they historically were able to raise prices with impunity. So if you look at the Great Recession of 2008 and 2009, both FedEx and UPS raised prices on shipping. So my view is over time that retailers like QVC will warmly embrace the opportunity to have Amazon deliver their packages at a materially lower rate than what they're paying UPS and FedEx. It could be Amazon delivery service. It would be, separate, much like Amazon Web Services is from Amazon Retail.
Well, so wait a second. What's the answer here? Should UPS say, forget it, we're not doing anymore? Should FedEx say, okay, never mind, we'll come back to the table and do it and invest more? I mean, they can't both be wrong. UPS is sticking with them. FedEx is backing out.
There's too much volume for them to pass up Amazon entirely. But I do think FedEx is trying to take an approach of discontinuing the less profitable shipping efforts for Amazon. Right. But there's too much volume for the two giants to lose if they completely cut off Amazon.
All right, Tom, I want to thank you for your time today. Real quickly, just what would you do with Amazon shares? If you think this is the right move, you'd tell people to buy here?
Yes, because if you look at that reacceleration in sales growth because of one-day shipping, I think that makes shares compelling today.